Hey there, Navigation Nation. It's time to register for classes, so let's get started. Your first step is to log into your Navigate account. Once you are logged in, click on the word Planner next to the word Explore, located in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. On the next screen, you will find your academic plan in the box on the right-hand side. Locate the semester that you want to register for. You may have to scroll down. Click on the blue box. It will say View Edit Schedule or Pick Times. If you have not created your academic plan yet, please exit this video and do that first. If you are not sure how to do so, you can watch our academic planning video tutorial or reach out to your assigned advisor for assistance. Now let's move forward. On the next screen, on the left-hand side, you will see the list of classes that you want to register for. Locate the first class and click on the word Sections. In this example, Transition English has sections available at North Campus, South Campus, and online. To see the days and times, click on the blue arrow next to the campus location that you prefer. Each box will list the section number, the start and end date of each class, and how many weeks the class is. You can view the days and times of the class by clicking on View Meetings. A box will populate on the right-hand side of the screen. Be sure to review all of the times listed. In this case, the section of English 002 meets on North Campus every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 9 a.m. to 9:55. It also has a virtual component to it, which is why virtual meeting days are listed. Once you find a section that works for you, click on Add to Schedule. The final step is to click on the Register button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen above the calendar. Once you have registered for all of your classes, be sure to review your transaction summary. If you receive a red error message, please reach out to your assigned advisor for assistance.